This is a blue rock. This is almost like... This is the biggest rock I ever had. This gray one. This is the funniest rock. What's these red things? All these rocks are different. This purple rock. Look. Oh. Where's I gonna be at? This has ribs. This is bone. This is Clarky Cloney Young. Well, look at this. Blue color, say brown, bluish, and a climb clown. Rudish, finest, biggest, monish, clockish, seenest, bluefish, redville, blackful, Dorito, foamies, and black, white, big. Bigger than a clock, bigger than a walk. Just get your rocks in everywhere clock. A blue one, a red one, a clock scene, and walk one. It's the one like right this way. This is a car when you've never seen that. But anyway, let's move on. This is the clock. Nap, nap, clock, dance, Raniac. This is a mark and a clock and a clock and a wheel. And this is a blue kind of talking right now. This is the water. Look at its sprout. This is a purple rock. Anyways, it's true. Anyways, this is so cool. It's water. This is blue, gray, orange, yellow, and cool. This is water. Look at the spread. Covered with water. This is the wrist rock. It's hot and it's blue and it's furry and it's clocks. This is the favorite gold rock I ever had. This is so cool and clad. This is a fork and a spoon and a mork and a Dr. Seuss, Clarky Seuss, and Mommy Yummy Squirt. Clock as in, two and two, every moose. Evan two, that includes, that's in, eat and juice. Mimi two, I am two. I'm naming all the rocks here. This is two, purple two, and Mamie two. Let's see now. This is a blue rock. It's one of my favorites. This is my favorite one. I'm never gonna trade it. Drop your phone, can you show? And this is a Modio. Oopsies. Sorry. I'll be right back.
Did you drop my phone?
I dropped it in the water.
Are you serious? Seriously?